Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7E Ultra, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top right side of the screen. This will give you the toggles, and in here we're looking for the power saving toggle, which might not be added by default. So if it's not, I'm going to click right here on this box next to the settings, and then we're going to select edit switches. And here we have all the switches that are turned off. Which one of those is the power saving mode? Once you see it, you want to hold it, drag it to the top, drop it, select done, and now you have access to it in your toggles. Here, just simply press on it. It brings up this window, power saving mode, power saver, save power. That caught me off guard. Save power by disabling features such as always on display and auto sync. Holy crap, that is the most bare bones explanation of the power saving mode I have ever encountered. Anyway, let's just select enable. So there's a couple things that might be happening in the background. I can't tell you for certain, as the message that describes power saving mode is just abhorrent. But there is one very important thing which most devices utilize, which is when you enable power saving mode, it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using the device. So when you lock it up like this, it will go into sleep mode and disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now there's two circumstances. Either one will be that the device reconnects every so often, like 10-20 minutes or so, checks if it's missing anything, and if it does, it's gonna drop on you a bunch of notifications at once. The second one is, it's not going to do that till you basically do it yourself. So you're going to unlock your device, and for instance, you want to check if you have email, you're going to open up your email application and then refresh it to see if it's if you have any new emails. So both of those might be a deal breaker for some people, so I did want to point that out. Now anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can quickly turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.